Everybody, happy Wednesday. Today is going to be a quick update. Bitcoin futures, you can see it's hanging in the buy zone here. This is a beautiful chart. You can see every time it comes in the green line, it goes to the red line. So very nice trades. It was here on Monday and then bounced from here to the red zone, almost 3% pump, and then came back from red zone to the green zone again. So you can see very nicely even from here back to the green zone, down again 1.73. And now this is the area you want to be buying. Same story with the S&P 500. You can see here futures were in the red zone. So some news came and then they just started selling off around maybe 15 minutes ago, around 8:10 this morning Eastern. And now they're going towards neutral line. Look to buy below 59.38. Nasdaq futures, similar story. Came to neutral line. Look to buy below 21,500. And let's quickly do a daily chart review and I will show you how things are looking. And this is the daily chart. And you can see here SPX, we're looking for two possibilities. Let me find a clear chart. Maybe I will do a live chart here. You can see we're looking for two possibilities, okay? And either we're gonna go straight up, which is also possible. Looks like they want to go to 60-50 zone like previous high. You can see a lot of area, a lot of data here. So go high and then come back later to fill this gap. That's one possibility, or the other possibilities we go now down there and then go higher later. Okay, so we don't know which way it's gonna go. And this is a SPX chart, and you can see there's a gap at the bottom, gap at the top. So same story here. We can either go fill this gap and then come back later, or we can or we can go straight down now and fill this gap or fill this gap and then go higher. All right, so no matter which way we go, 100% chance all these three gaps will be filled. It's just a matter of time. All right, there will be some news which I don't know what it will be, that will drive the market lower or higher, and that's what we're looking for. Same story on Nasdaq. You can see gap, there are no gaps on the top, so you can see it's already near previous high, so they could still keep it higher and then come back later, or they can come back later and go higher. Bitcoin hanging here near previous support. This is daily chart. You can see here hanging it here. So let's see if Bitcoin can hold here and then bounce, and that will be really good. One thing to note, weekly chart, we are getting a 7-count sell signal, so you are going to be a bit careful here. Every time last time we had a nice sideways movement. Here we had 7 counts and it went higher, gave a 9 counts and then dumped. So just be a bit careful here. Ethereum is no counts here right now on weekly, but daily also just in front of this massive resistance, which is this dark blue line, and this is 200 SMA, just flagging it here. If it breaks out, whenever it breaks out, it's going to be an explosive move. So probably whenever it breaks out, Ethereum is going to do a nice move of, let me show you here. It will go straight to like 3,300, 3,400 zone. And that's where the gap is, 3,300, 3,490. All right, so just keep that in mind. On BTC futures, gaps are below 97K, 91, 92K. There are no gaps at the bottom, got 7-count sell signal. So just keep an eye on, in case we dump, one of these gaps should get filled. That's what we're looking for. And what else? In terms of stocks, Shopify, I told my subscribers I'm buying now. It's near gap, so they could come fill this gap and then go higher, but it's on nice support, this 20 moving average. So looking for a bounce out of this support. Tesla, flat. You can see it tried to rally yesterday. They closed again below this green line. So let's see. There is a bigger gap here around 300. So that will be a really good opportunity to buy. But keep an eye. Just monitoring right now. Apple is down for some reason this morning. But again, look to buy off this gap fill around 196. 196. CrowdStrike is down after earnings. Again, it break out. Now coming back to this support area here. So you can see here, so nicely it can fall in the support and you can look to buy again there. I'm just trying to see if there's any pattern when it breakouts and it fills this gap. CrowdStrike here, break down, break out, and fill this gap. So anyhow, so even if the earnings are bad, they will eventually come and fill this gap. Okay, that's what I'm trying to tell you. You can see if earnings are bad and they eventually come and fill this gap. So just keep that in mind. And then AVGO earnings are coming very soon. I think it's probably tomorrow. It's already like near all-time high. I won't be touching it. I'll just wait and sit and wait, watch. There are multiple gaps. This big gap here also there. So let's see. Maybe this will be the catalyst to drive the market lower. Tomorrow, end of day earnings is there. So we'll see which way market wants to go. And I'm gonna keep it short, guys, today, as I have to go somewhere. But yeah, both scenarios are there. Let's see which way market goes. Take care. Bye.